Hi, my name is Vinny McKenzie with Anjon Manufacturing, and today I would like to talk a little bit about our Landshark pumps. These are external, non-submersible pumps suitable for natural swimming pools, spas, koi ponds, a wide range of features. These are self-priming pumps with hydraulically self-balancing impellers and a self-lubricating direct drive motor. All these pumps have high-quality seals to help extend the pump life. They'll also contain a thermal overload sensor, so if the pump begins to overheat, that sensor will kick on and shut off the pump before any damage to the motor actually occurs. These pumps also come with a removable debris screen, making maintenance and cleaning very simple. Just open the top, remove the screen, clean it out, put it back, you're good to go. All these pumps are also backed by our 2-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any questions about these pumps, please feel free to reach out to Anjon Manufacturing or your nearest Anjon distributor. Thank you.